your employer is compulsorily required to contribute around 12% to a fund that is meant for your retirement. This helps you save tax under Section 80C. Watch this video to learn more about PF calculation. Hello and welcome. I am Sujani from ClearTax. We are India's largest financial tax services platform, where we serve more than 6 million tax filers. The Employee Provident Fund, or the EPF, is a retirement benefit scheme for salaried employees in the private sector. The employees who fall under the scheme make a fixed contribution of 12% of the basic salary and the dearness allowance. The employer should also make an equal contribution to this EPF scheme. If you are wondering what happens to this amount, then you must know that it earns interest and compounds over time. Currently, you can earn an interest of 8.1%, which effectively comes to around 13% because of the tax benefits. Let us understand PF balance calculation with the help of numbers. Let's say employee's basic salary plus dearness allowance is Rs 14,000. Employee's contribution towards the EPF is 12%, which comes to Rs 1680. However, employee's contribution of 12% shall be divided as 3.67% towards EPF, that is Rs 514, and 8.33% towards the employee's pension scheme. Therefore, the total contribution in PF by employer and employee comes to Rs 2.194, which earns an 8.1% interest. The computation may look complicated, but it can be easily done with ClearTax PF calculator. Let's see how to use the PF calculator. Click on the PF calculator link given in the description box below, or type PF calculator ClearTax on Google and click on this very first link. Here, input your current age with the help of sliding bar. Now, enter your basic salary plus DA, which is Rs 20,000 in my case. You can find these amounts from your CTC. In the next box, enter the percentage of basic plus DA contributed to EPF every month. It is 15% in my case. Employer's contribution is fixed and taken automatically by the calculator. Enter the age by which you would like to retire using the sliding bar. I'll select 50 years in my case. Enter your current EPF balance, which is 0 in my case. The government would revise the EPF interest rate regularly, and this would directly impact your final corpus. If interest remains 8.1% throughout, I will receive Rs 24,71,282 at the time of withdrawal. That's it. ClearTax PF calculator makes EPF calculation extremely simple for you. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have more questions related to EPF, you can click on the link in the description box below and leave us a comment. We'll get back to you shortly. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more such informative videos. See you.